Yo everyone, welcome back to the tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to fix if your Snapchat messages are not showing on your device. So let's get started without wasting any time. So the very first thing what you need to do is just you have to locate here Play Store or App Store on your device. If you are an iPhone user, then look at your App Store, and if you are an Android user, you have to look at your Play Store. And once you locate this, just open this up, and then you have to search here for the Snapchat. Here you can see. So search for these, and here what you need to do is just you have to look at here Snapchat. If it's asking for here update, then update your Snapchat to the latest version, and hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So if this trick doesn't work for you, then go for the second one. For that, if you are an iPhone user, tap here on settings, and then scroll it below and tap here on general, and after that again scroll it below and tap on iPhone storage. And after this what you need to do is just from here scroll it below, and here look at the Snapchat, tap on this, and from here what you need to do is just upload the app from here and then reinstall it again and check what the problem has been fixed or not. So if the problem still exists there, then what you need to do is just you have to delete your Snapchat app from here. So delete this one and reinstall again new one, and hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. And if all of these tricks doesn't work for you, then go for the next one. For that, just you have to launch your settings app on your device, and then tap here on general, and then here software update. If any software update is pending here, what you need to do is you have to update your device to the latest version, and hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So if the problem still exists there, then there may be a glitch here, and that will be solved within few hours. So that's pretty much for today's tutorial. If the video is helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any problem let me know in the comments. I'll help you more. Thanks for watching.